If you're a homeowner in Green Cove Springs, Florida, and thinking about upgrading your windows, one big question probably comes to mind. Should you hire a professional or try a DIY window installation? While the idea of tackling a home improvement project yourself can be tempting, window installation isn't as simple as it looks. The process requires precision, technical skill, and the right materials to ensure your home remains energy efficient, secure, and comfortable year-round. Let's break down the key differences between professional and DIY window installation, so you can make an informed decision that's right for your Green Cove Springs home. Understanding Green Cove Springs climate and installation challenges. Before diving into the pros and cons, it's important to consider the local climate. Green Cove Springs is known for its humid subtropical weather, meaning homes must withstand heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. This environment makes proper window installation essential. A small mistake, like a gap in the seal or misaligned frame, can lead to serious problems such as drafts and air leaks that increase your energy bills, water intrusion that causes mold and wood rot, reduced indoor comfort and window performance. Professional installers have experience dealing with Florida's humidity and rain, ensuring your windows are correctly sealed and weatherproofed for long-term protection. The case for DIY window installation. For some homeowners, DIY projects are an opportunity to save money and enjoy the satisfaction of completing a task themselves. However, DIY window installation comes with significant risks, especially if you're inexperienced. Pros of DIY installation: upfront savings. You avoid labor costs by doing the work yourself. Flexible timing. You can work on your own schedule without waiting for an appointment. Learning experience. If you're handy, it can be a rewarding challenge. Cons of DIY installation: precision matters. A small misalignment can cause long-term efficiency and security issues. Specialized tools required. Professional-grade tools are often necessary for proper fitting, sealing, and insulation. No warranty coverage. Manufacturer warranties can be voided if the installation isn't done by a certified professional. Hidden costs. Mistakes can lead to expensive repairs later, often outweighing initial savings. In Florida's climate, where even minor sealing errors can lead to water damage, DIY window installation can quickly turn from a cost-saving project into a costly problem. Why professional window installation is worth the investment. Hiring a professional installer ensures your new windows are fitted, sealed, and insulated to perform as designed. Key advantages of professional installation: expert precision. Certified installers use precise measurements and specialized techniques to ensure a perfect fit. This prevents drafts, leaks, and misalignment that can compromise performance. Weatherproofing and insulation. Professionals understand how to handle Florida's humidity, ensuring your windows are properly caulked and insulated to prevent condensation, mold, and energy loss. Warranty protection. Many top window manufacturers require professional installation for their warranties to remain valid. This means your investment is protected against product or workmanship issues. Time and safety. Professional installers complete the job quickly, safely, and efficiently. They're trained to work with glass and heavy frames, reducing your risk of injury or property damage. Long-term savings. While professional installation comes with upfront costs, it pays off through energy savings, fewer repairs, and extended window lifespan. Your Green Cove Springs home stays comfortable year-round, without the worry of future leaks or performance issues. Making the right choice for your home. If you have experience with home improvement and access to the right tools, you might be able to handle a simple window repair or replacement on your own. However, for full installations, especially for multiple windows or energy-efficient upgrades, professional installation is the safer, smarter choice. Professionals not only install your windows correctly but also ensure compliance with local building codes and energy efficiency standards. In Green Cove Springs, where weather conditions can be unpredictable, their expertise ensures your home remains both beautiful and protected. Final thoughts. While DIY window installation might seem like a budget-friendly option, the long-term risks often outweigh the short-term savings. Improperly installed windows can lead to drafts, leaks, and costly damage, problems that Green Cove Springs homeowners know all too well in Florida's humid climate. By choosing professional window installation, you gain peace of mind knowing your investment is handled by experts who understand the local environment and the importance of airtight, durable sealing. Your home deserves more than a quick fix. It deserves the lasting comfort, security, and energy efficiency that only professional installation can provide. So, before you grab that toolbox, consider the value of experience. In the long run, hiring a trusted Green Cove Springs window installation professional is the best way to ensure your home performs and protects as beautifully as it looks.